Ain't no way.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Neha Eats. Welcome back again to my channel, and I am so happy to say that we are definitely a 100 subscriber family now. So first of all, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel and made that dream come true. So again, thank you. But make sure if you are still new, you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, because let's hit 1k, because that's the that's the goal. But again, let's say I'm back with the new mukbang again. So today I'm gonna eat the new Momo pizza, which was launched by Pizza Hut. So I was very excited to try that. So I've ordered their Momo pizza and their tomato pasta. Let's see how it goes. So let's open this. It just came and it's damn hot. Oh wow, this looks nice. This does look like a Momo. It's nice. It smells nice. Okay, so let's keep it here. Okay, and this is the pasta. Okay, it's way too hot. Okay. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Let me show you guys. This is so awesome, and it's way too hot. Okay, and I hope I can put it like this so it's easier for me to eat. Also, I have got cold drink with me. Finally, I didn't forget. So let me pour it into a glass. Oh my god, I hope I can open this. I'm so hungry and excited to eat. Okay. Nice. Okay. This is pretty interesting. I think I'm addicted to momos these days, so I had to try this. So here you can see the momo. Then there's capsicum, there's onions, there's corn. I think that's all I can see. Let's dig in. The sauce which is applied over here tastes very different than a normal pizza sauce. Now I'm not able to gauge what sauce this is, but it's definitely different than the normal tomato sauce that they apply on the pizza base. Definitely garlicky. I can feel garlic. Inside of the momo, it's completely filled with I think the vegetable momo, steamed momo, which you get. Really nice. Definitely hot. It feels very different because it feels like I'm eating a momo dipped in a garlic sauce. So that's what I feel. It's a little Chinesey type of pizza, I would say. It's very different than a normal pizza, and I like this actually. It's a good change. The end is like super hard for me to break. some Italian seasoning, which is oregano. Let's try with that. Okay. Okay, I need to sit a little this way. It definitely tastes good with the seasoning. Too hard to break. Oh my god, the edge is like really hard to break, so it's too hot, so that's why I thought I'll break it and I'll also show you. It is still hot. So by the way, I hope you guys are all set for the Diwali. I am very excited. Though I don't get any leaves, but I still look forward to Diwali. I guess everybody is having a long weekend. So I wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. May you shine, may you have good health, and may you subscribe to this channel and keep watching me. That was just a joke. When I saw the size of this pizza, I was like, this is too small, but I had no idea this will be this filling. Let me put some oreganos. Nice. Big bites. I have no idea why, but it's pretty spicy right now somehow. Maybe because I got a chunk of garlic. Oh man. Oh. This piece in itself is spicy for some reason. I don't know why. I think there is some ginger inside this as well. Inside the momo. So that's why it might be spicy. There's definitely a lot of ginger in this bite. Oh my god, this is spicy. I think I won't be able to finish this one, so let's keep this aside. It's extremely cheesy and it's still extremely hot, but let's dig in. Oh my god. Look at the red capsicum. Is it capsicum or is it jalapenos? Jalapenos are generally green. This is chili. What is wrong with me? This is chili. I just had ginger in my mouth and garlic in my mouth, and now this. I can't have it. So, but I can't get rid of it any which ways. So let's dig in. This looks like a nice bite. Okay, I need to hold this. This is nice. Also, the one on the edge, that pasta is making a little crunch because I think it got dried or something and it has very dried cheese stuck to it. So I like that. So here's with a piece of capsicum. Nice. This is a pretty big bite, so let's kind of stop that. Is it my day or everything is spicy today? Okay. Look at this gravy inside. I think this might be spicy, but let's try. Yeah, there's onions as well. It's not that spicy, that gravy, but this is still hot. Like, I can't hold it. I found the olive. I like this now somehow. It's very cheesy. Oh my god, it is cheesy and so slippery. It's hard to get it on the fork. Okay. Let me try to hold it again. I'm kind of getting full today. I have no idea why. Maybe because it's cheesy. And that Momo pizza was, you don't go on the size. It's like really heavy. It looks small, but it's filling. Okay. How do I get this onion so slippery? There's a lot of red chilies inside this. This is such a huge bite. I am getting full now. I always drop something on me, and that is annoying to me now. By myself. I'm annoyed by myself. Oh, okay. This is too fizzy. And that's a good thing because cold drink seems to be fizzy. I do see people, some of the mukbangers I would say, who like have this really huge glass of Coke or Thumbs Up or whatever it is. They fill it up completely and they like chug it up. I can't do that. That's just not me. But okay, let's remove this. So that's it from my end, guys. I hope you like this video. Because it's a hard work to sit, record, eat, edit, as I said earlier. Again, thank you so much, guys, for making my channel of 100 subscribers. Again, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video right now, do go and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. The name is in the description box below. It's Neha_, so do check it out. I'm quite regular over there. If you like this video, then leave a thumbs up, drop me in the comments what you want me to eat next, or whatever. If you have tried this Momo pizza or pizza Momo, whatever it is called from Pizza Hut. Sauce definitely very garlicky. So if it's like a proper winter, I would say I would eat this again, but not when it's like little summery. Also there was a lot of garlic inside the momo in one slice at least, so that was very spicy for me. I like the pasta. It's very cheesy, it's very slippery, so I liked it, except for the green chilies. That was too much inside it. But yeah, I think it's doable. You can eat it if you are a spice lover. But yeah, overall that's it from my side, guys. I'm fumbling as usual. So see you all in the next video. Again, wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Be safe, have fun and relax. Bye bye.